Lane Turo University. My name's Conrad Layn. Don't start your Turo business until you watch this. And if you already start your Turo business, continue to watch. You're still going to learn. But hey, remember this well. So on your next car or just your perspective, whatever the case is, understand as well. Turo is about the experience. It's actually not about the car. Even though Turo has some of the coolest cars ever, it's not about that. Right now, I'm currently sitting in a very simple car that's earned me over 700% profit. And I only spent, I'm not looking at the stats right now, right around like $6,000 for the car. And if you just multiply that times 7 and you got your number, I'll give you some time. 700%. That's times 7. That means I made about $42,000 profit on one car. Profit. Remember that. Let that soak in. A Nissan Versa, one of the most simple, basic cars, basic model. Look at this. This is a Nissan. You see that? How basic can you get? So basic, this car doesn't even have Bluetooth. But guess what I did? I bought a Bluetooth. Yeah, I just plug for $25 from Best Buy. Highly recommend it. And for those that need this, it's called Simple. Works phenomenal. You plug it in. Car has Bluetooth. Don't deter just because you don't have the most coolest or sickest car ever. If you don't have a Lamborghini or Ferrari or a BMW or Mercedes, don't care. I have nice cars too. Don't get me wrong, I've had Mercedes on there. I have a Tesla. I'm planning to get a more elite car. I'm even considering a Ferrari. And but don't let that deter you. I love these more than actually luxury cars. I have a mix of all of them for different clientele. There's a lot of my high-end clientele wouldn't drive this, and even if they would, it's maybe to move a few boxes or something. So this is more for someone that's a commuter that wants to maybe travel long distance. Maybe they're going from state to state. Maybe they're going far away in another city. Maybe they just need, maybe don't have much money. So this car appeals to a lot of people. It usually appeals to people that don't want to spend too much. It appeals to people who maybe need to go far distances but want to not spend too much on gas. You have to understand your market. This car earned me over 700%. So that means this car is what, about $6,000 to say. I'm not looking at the numbers right now, but 6,000. This is give or take. Let's even give let's say it's worth 7,000. That means I earned 49,000. I've earned more than 49,000. But the point is that I earned a considerable amount, like close to like $51,000. So well over 700%. I made pure profit on top of just buying this car for under $7,000. Pretty cool. It's a Nissan Versa. Let me show you what this looks like. Super basic car. Super basic car. Don't want to get hit by the car. Look how basic that is. So basic. Doesn't even have Bluetooth, but I added a Bluetooth device. There you go. For $25 from Best Buy. Highly recommend. It's called Simple. So simple. Doesn't even have automatic locks, y'all. Look how basic that is. I have to go like that. But guess what? This is earning more than most cars on Turo platform. This doesn't even have automatic locks. So when you want to make excuses, or when you're thinking, man, I don't have the coolest car, these cars do well. This doesn't even have automatic locks. That's manual locks. Don't get me wrong. It's an automatic car, but has manual locks. No, nothing I can press, right? No Bluetooth at all. It's basic radio. Sorry. Simple. How do you recommend this brand? Called Simple. Auxiliary Bluetooth. So even if you buy a car that's like this, you can make a considerable amount. Know your market, people. I have nice cars and I have basic commuter cars like this. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carlin out.